Ma'am, can you please take beauty classes, I mean makeup classes for us?
No, thank you. I am busy with
Medicine.
oh my god.
Can someone believe you're a doctor?
Going to be. You never know what might happen before that.
I like your confidence. I so like your confidence. You're so confident about it.
You never know what will happen. God only knows.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Pondicherry and I'm here with my school friends. So I literally don't want to vlog, but I'm just making this, you know, a 3-day trip into one vlog. So I have some memories, so I can go back and look at it. Anyways, with me right now, that's Meghna.
I can't see.
And then yeah, there's Sarah inside, but we're a group of 7 people. And yeah, from morning we absolutely did nothing. We just came, chilled, ate breakfast, ate lunch, we're just chilling right now, just getting ready. And now probably we'll be hitting the beach in a while, and this time I can record the beach time as well because Meghna's not going to be playing in the water, so I have someone to shoot it for me.
No wonder.
So that's the update. And yeah, I'm hoping this vlog is going to be really fun because a lot of school memories are going to be spoken about here, and that's what we've been doing. We've been talking about a lot of our school memories and everything. There was a time where there was chewing gum stuck on my hair and I have no idea. I don't know how I forgot that, and apparently I've cried a lot just to get it cut. So all of this, I think you guys will get to know a lot more about all our lives. And in a bit I will introduce you to like everybody out here. Yeah, so I'm ready. I'm just waiting for her to get ready, and Sarah's inside, so once she's ready I will introduce you guys to everybody else. This is Sarah. Hi. Hi.
This doesn't look good.
Hi Sarah. Hi. I forgot to zoom out.
Okay, bye.
You get reported as wrong.
They say we take longer time.
Let's go.
But look at them.
But the whole point is
Oh,
we
you know
started
when
5
we-
minutes
yeah,
back and we
exactly.
started 2 hours back, guys. And this part is not being vlogged.
That's Astro. You can say hi. Don't ignore me. No? That's Rakshana. Hi. Sarah. And everybody else is missing. Wait. Hi Alvin.
Hi.
Hi Tony.
Dude, I got one by asking. Do not log all that.
Astil, say hi. Hi. Hi.
Meghna, turn. Hi, Meghna.
Hi. Oh, hi. Hi, Vandita. Hi, Tony.
Hey, wait, Chester.
Hi, Tony. And this is tasty. Yay! Wow! Look at the beach. And these 3. That's Vandita. That is Raksh. And that is Sarah. And we are at Paradise. And that is Alvin. Alvin's busy, loving life. Whoops!
the water. Bye. 안녕. Hi guys, we're in Pondi. This is the owner of this camera.
Oh yeah, today is Meghna's takeover on my vlog.
Yeah, she's going to pose in front of this door.
Shit.
Cue, fast forward, whatever crap that she does while editing.
Good. This
Camera only, right?
movie spectacle.
Look at this.
Okay, everyone's holding one.
This is 1, 2, 3. Mustard boys are behind back there. Say hi. Mustard boys, okay, get it. This is Pondi. Shit! What to do? Oh no! He finished. Bye door. This is Alvin. Alvin's possibly one of the most sweetest guys you'll ever meet.
Still to the center. Yeah.
But he's sometimes very clueless
Walk.
about stuff.
Put one hand in your pocket. Yeah. And walk.
This is our resident fashion photographer / model / pose person. I don't know, whatever.
Hold.
But this is Alvin.
Left. And to your left.
Oh.
Look to your
This is
left.
Sarah.
Yeah. Hi guys.
You can call her Sarah, you can call her Shreya, whatever you want to call her, you can call her.
my name, okay? Sarah.
Whatever you want to call her, you can call her.
Sarah. Okay.
But she's a ball of fun. Say bye. Oh, the flip. That is Astel. This is me. So hot. That's why I'm wearing the cap.
It's like
This
a
is-
baby with a lollipop.
This is Tony. And this is Raksha. No, this is
No,
Sarah.
that's Sarah.
Color. This is Alvin. Yay! Nobody put their faces in my hand. I was giving it. See? I'm telling you, Sarah's like a ball of fun. Like, you can call her whatever you want.
Guys, bye.
Alvin, any last words before we say bye-bye?
Bye. That's all.
I'm hanging out with some of the most boring people on earth. This is Astel.
Hey, what's up?
Any last words?
So,
This is nice camera, okay?
one second.
Give it to me.
1 second.
showing it.
So, I've taken over the camera from Meghna. It's recording, right? Yeah, okay. I've taken over the camera from Meghna. These girls have been making us stand in this scorching heat for almost 20 minutes just to click pictures. And they're not yet done. Is it recording? Because
It'll show REC, right?
yes,
Yeah,
it is
okay.
recording. So yeah, these girls, like I said, okay, and look at this. I don't even think they're done yet, and there are two more girls left. And us guys finished our photo shoot within 2 minutes. Guys, say hi, guys.
Mustard boys country.
Yeah, we are the Mustard Boys. Guys, any comments about this photo shoot?
When will it be done?
When will it be done? That's wonderful.
We are waiting.
We're waiting, yeah. So handing it over to the girls who are taking the photo shoot, our dedicated camera person.
Hi, I'm back.
I so badly want to push her down.
You stand.
I kick her.
But this photo shoot is honestly quite long. I'm not understanding this.
Hi guys, this is day 2 in Pondicherry, and all we've done so far is just click pictures, chill, and now probably we'll just get some food. And what else? I'm pretty sure you've... No, not sign out. I'm pretty sure you've got some interesting content because Meghna has taken over. So for the most of today, you'll find Meghna vlogging for us and the boys.
Mustard. I don't want to get demonetized and all. I'm not showing all that. Alright, I mean, I'll check back in with you all when I'm eating food, and we're going to some nice place for food, so I'll definitely show and talk about that place. And this is my outfit for the day, and that's what Meghna is wearing. We're dressed up really cute today for pictures. Go on Instagram and check it out if you haven't already. I'll leave the handle here. Okay, bye. It's Bolognese.
Right.
Yeah, Bolo Ganesh.
One second.
Coming out good.
Meghna's disappointing face is coming. Don't do that.
Look, we can see your face.
Wait, it's not coming out. Over.
Get cold.
See, I gave everyone a chance. When my chance comes, we should do this.
This is finger looking good.
Intimate. It's coming back to you.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
not coming back. It's not
What
coming
is
back.
I needed, Sarah? It's gone.
I'll give you a Fevicol.
Sarah, there is no you need it. There is you want it and come snatch it.
No, I have better idea. Pour some water into the plate.
Oh my goodness.
Too much.
Exactly. Stop it.
There's literally nothing.
Don't blow that.
Do it.
Take some water. Or just lick the
Oh
plate.
god.
Looking good.
Please. Lick the plate. Lick the plate. Lick the plate.
Are we really doing this?
Lick the plate. Lick the plate.
I'll do it.
Hi guys, this is me again. I'm not showing my face because I look damn ugly without my mask. And hungry. I am hungry and ugly.
Cranky, annoyed. Bro, the food looks mad. No.
We're going to have French food.
The last day. I know my voice is echoing, just give me a second. Moo. This is harsh light. Oh my god. No, I can't do this here. Alright guys, this is day 3 in Ponty and the last day, and Meghna is leaving before us. So this is her official. She tried hard at vlogging, and I'm gonna miss her. Shit, I know when I'm gonna see you after this. We're back to not meeting each other again.
Like moving with this bag would be such a pain.
And I hate doing this. I hate goodbyes, but it is what it is. Let's make it a little melodramatic in a while. I'll do that. No. Proper heart, compassion. Bye, mate. I can't live without you. I said that's too close. I can't do that. We just show.
You are going to Chennai. Meghna. Bye. We love you. Meghna, we love you. Meghna, bye. Meghna, we love you. Bye. Meghna, bye. Bye. Meghna. Meghna. Bye. We love you. Meghna. Bye. We love you.
We love you. Bye.
Meghna. We love you. Bye. Meghna.
Bye.
Meghna, bye. We love you.
Now that one person's gone, we're actually really sad.
Just because Gugu went, you're coming to me?
What do you want? Supposed to be sad. What is this peace sign? It's like, oh my god, thank God she went.
I'll smile at this one. Okay guys, we miss Meghna a lot.
Megs, we miss you already.
We love you.
But we'll show you what we're going to do now.
So I'm talking to Meghna.
Yeah.
Bye Meghna, we love you. Vandita is drinking mango juice. Mango juice.
You should never try vlogging.
This is the shop. It's Udaya Fresh Juice Center. Udaya Fresh Juice Center has intense variety of juices.
You can say welcome, bro.
Okay, sorry guys, Alvin's ass is covering. So you see the 8th item, that's chocolate and ass. So chocolate ass. It's not on the menu guys.
Dude, I've got
But Alvin is
done.
I've got 10.
hot. So guys, if you ever come to this place, drink only the mango. I'm just kidding, the mango is nice, the milk sarbat is nice. Any comments about the lassi guys?
Lassi was amazing.
Okay.
Rose water as
Yeah, it's amazing, and they have a good variety of juices, and the price is very minimal. Okay, and I'm sorry about that. And it's a very nice fruity shop. Yeah, you know. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll meet you on the next episode of Traveling with Aslan to Kunal. The next episode here, it's Udaya Fresh Juice Center again. We are going to come here every day. See, every day. Because Alvin likes fresh juice.
Have been coming.
Sarah has been coming here every day. Look at her, you'll be like she's been coming here her whole life. Okay, let's go. This is Party Kada. Party Kada is very famous. You see that uncle standing near the Party Kada? He's spitting or I don't know. So yeah, that is... okay, he's reading the news. Okay. Thanks for the clarification, Rakshana. And so that is Party Kada. It's a must visit. You have prawns bhaji, you have fish bhaji. It's a good priced item it's very tasty. You get good filling, so it's wonderful. Next episode of Traveling with Aslan to Kunal, there's special beef biryani. We haven't eaten it, but today we are going to eat it. So yes, to Traveling with Aslan episode 3. That's cow urine. He just peed, bro. That's not the rain. That puddle is all cow pee.
fresh beef from Puducherry.
And it stinks. It's fresh,
He's
bro.
done, and he's not a good poser, so he's leaving. Camera shy. Camera shy.
Please tell him not to go near the beef biryani shop. Okay, so that's today's episode. We can call this episode Cow Pee. Okay, thank you for watching Traveling with Aslan. Bye-bye. So guys, this trip is officially coming to an end, and we are here. Vandita's in the washroom.
Yeah,
as usual. Yeah, let's skip that. Okay, TMI. But just saying, I had one of the best trips of my life.
It was the best
with
trip ever.
The best people of my life. It was beautiful. Thank you guys for coming.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, dumb bitch, thank you for coming.
She has to pop out of the washroom.
Okay, she's in the washroom, guys. But yeah, it was a beautiful trip, guys. Anyone, any words?
Beautiful trip, guys.
Alvin?
Not until the last minute.
Unexpected trips are the best, and this is one of them.
Oh, okay, Alvin killed it. Alvin killed it with that dialogue.
What did I miss?
You know, the place doesn't matter. It's just the people who matter,
Yeah,
guys.
guys.
Signing out is us. Bye bye.
But yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon next to it so you're notified every
Like,
time.
share, subscribe, guys.
You're notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys very soon on my birthday series. So stay tuned for that, and bye.
Bye bye. So that night this happened.
Sarah, hi. Say hi. Alvin, Astel, and we have one creepy guy there. And we have him here. And
Sarah's a blur. She's a white ball.
she's a white ball.
She's a fluff ball.
Yeah. Do you guys want to tell how your bike ride was?
Fluff ball is
Okay,
Come on, guys.
Guys, this is our second time to shine.
Oh,
So,
time to shine.
We had to drop the girls at the railway station, and then after that, we had to go and drop our bikes and then come back. So our train is at 9:25, okay, and we reach this railway station at 9:08. We have exactly 17 minutes. 17.
Yeah.
More or less, yeah, 17 minutes to go and come back. Vlogger's memory card got full, so she's gonna join this clip, so yeah, just keep watching, okay? So we left from here at 9:08. 9:08. We had to go 1.5 kilometers. Okay. We stood in a signal for 30 seconds.
We stood in two signals.
We stood in two signals, one for 30 seconds and one for like 10 seconds. You know what time we reached there? The bike shop.
What time?
9:10 boys, 9:10, 2 fucking minutes minus 45 seconds. All of us almost died like 6 times. This was a literal take from Fast and the Furious in India, cheap version. But we reached 9:10 and then that guy brought us back. He was very slow to be honest, but he brought us back. But the second best part is we entered, train started moving. We were on time. A second would have made a difference over here. Signing out, Aston and the boys, Tony and Alvin. And the girls. And the girls, yeah.
Woohoo! This is a video.
That's good. Taking video, I'm freezing. She's taking video. When you become ice chips, will make you go. Don't worry,